Honda cars must be both fun to drive and environment friendly. That's why we've developed a direct injection gasoline engine with an air-fuel ratio of 65 to 1. This is an unheard of level of ultra-lean combustion. The new engine delivers superior fuel economy and emission levels, along with high output and abundant torque. Introducing the new Honda 2-liter DOHC i-VTEC I direct injection engine. In direct injection engines, the fuel is injected directly into the cylinder. This allows leaner combustion for greater fuel economy. However, conventional direct injection technology has failed to deliver both clean exhaust emissions during lean burning and high output during combustion at stoichiometric air-fuel ratios. That's why Honda turned its attention to developing direct injection technology that would excel in both respects, using the i-VTEC engine as a base. In addition to Honda's i-VTEC intelligent valve timing and lift functions, the i-VTEC I also features a newly developed center injection system, a Honda original. With other systems, the injector is positioned at an angle, but with the center injection system, it is positioned vertically, injecting the fuel at right angles to the piston so that the fuel will not adhere to the cylinder wall. And since the fuel is injected directly into the cavity on the piston's upper surface, regardless of the piston's position, injection timing and volume can be freely adjusted to attain ultra-lean burn operation over a broader range. The injection system uses 10 megapascal injection pressure and a lateral swirl guide in the injector tip to achieve a droplet size just 1/10 that of most engines. What's more, the optimized injection pattern disperses the fuel conically to achieve improved combustion efficiency. The new engine employs these core technologies to achieve optimum combustion control in all driving conditions. Together with advanced nitrogen oxide reduction technology, they ensure that the i-VTEC I delivers high fuel economy, clean emissions, powerful output, and ample torque. Outstanding engine performance. The i-VTEC I offers outstanding fuel economy during both ultra-lean and stoichiometric combustion. Under ordinary driving conditions, when engine load is comparatively low, the engine uses ultra-lean combustion. With the i-VTEC system, the VTEC mechanism causes one of the intake valves to remain closed, generating a powerful swirl pattern. Meanwhile, VTC optimizes valve overlap timing to create a stable environment for rapid combustion. The fuel is injected during the compression stroke. Only a small amount of fuel is injected into the cylinder, but the piston cavity positions the fuel in the vicinity of the spark plug, creating a pocket of high-density air-fuel mixture that makes combustion possible. A large volume of air remains in the cylinder, resulting in an ultra-lean air-fuel mixture overall. Once ignition takes place, the powerful swirl created by the i-VTEC system propagates efficiently, contributing to rapid combustion. These innovations result in an air-fuel ratio for the i-VTEC I engine of 65 to 1, a level of ultra-lean combustion unheard of until now. Stable combustion is achieved with far less fuel than conventional direct injection engines, for which an air-fuel ratio of 40:1 was the limit. The result is enhanced fuel economy. Fuel economy has also been improved during stoichiometric combustion, which takes place during moderate to high load conditions, such as rapid acceleration during city driving. The i-VTEC system causes one of the intake valves to remain closed, generating a powerful swirl pattern. VTC controls intake valve closure timing for maximum intake efficiency. Fuel is injected during the intake stroke. The strong swirl pattern evenly disperses the air-fuel mixture for improved combustion efficiency. At the same time, a large volume of EGR gas is introduced, reducing pumping losses to promote better fuel economy. As a result, the new engine achieves a 20% increase in engine fuel efficiency over conventional 2-liter engines. Equipped with this new engine, the new Stream minivan delivers top-of-class fuel economy of 15 kilometers per liter. During high-speed acceleration, aggressive driving, and other high-load conditions, the new engine delivers ample output and torque. Fuel is injected during the intake stroke to attain stoichiometric combustion, while the VTEC mechanism opens up both intake valves for improved intake efficiency. Meanwhile, VTC provides optimum control over intake timing to ensure maximum air intake. These innovations make the i-VTEC I the top-performing engine in its class, with maximum output of 115 kilowatts and maximum torque of 188 Newton meters. A Stream equipped with the new engine combines fuel economy at the top of its class with powerful high-speed acceleration. The result is a combination of fuel economy and performance beyond the reach of conventional minivans. Controlling nitrogen oxide emissions in lean burn direct injection engines is a key issue. With the new i-VTEC I, Honda has gone all out to overcome this challenge. The new engine utilizes a high-precision EGR valve with large capacity and outstanding responsiveness. This delivers a large volume of exhaust gas to the cylinder, lowering the combustion temperature to reduce nitrogen oxide production. In addition to the high-density 3-stage catalytic converter, a newly developed high-performance catalyst helps scrub exhaust gases. Along with outstanding heat resistance, the nitrogen oxide absorption catalytic converter offers improved durability and scrubbing performance, effectively reducing nitrogen oxide emissions. These innovations help the i-VTEC I achieve ultra-low emission levels and superior environmental performance. The newly developed 2-liter DOHC i-VTEC I incorporates advanced Honda technologies and intelligent control systems to achieve superior fuel economy, environmental performance at the top of its class, and high power output. The new i-VTEC I, the next generation in direct injection engines.